Catch this. Have you ever wondered why these amazing videos that you see always have backgrounds that are just mind-blowing? In today's video, I'm going to teach you a full tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial on how to create these amazing backgrounds that are appearing just behind me. And guess what? You don't have to use any green screen, or you don't have to spend any money on these backgrounds. Pretty interesting, right? Also, this is only my regular living room, and make sure that I can change this living room into any background I want, like this one, for example. Well, with AI, the options are endless. And guess what? Everything within this frame is real, where the next or the rest is just AI work of art. Want to know how? Well, buckle up, as in today's video, I'm going to show you a full tutorial on how to do that. This is Ahmed from AI.com, and let's Okay, welcome back again, and let's start with the first step of this tutorial, which is to shoot the video. Now, when you shoot the video, you need to consider some keys to make the video more professional and to make the editing process much easier. Now, the first thing you need to know and you need to make sure to consider is that the camera should be steady. Because after that, we're doing some editing process, shaky videos won't be an option and they won't fit in the editing process. Secondly, try to take or to choose background that it's not too distracting. I've chosen this wall and it works pretty fine for me, as I can put anything related to this video or to the background later in the editing process. You can always choose any other background, make sure it's as clear as possible to make the editing much easier. And the last thing, make sure that the lighting is good. Don't make the background shady and black, as that after that the backgrounds won't turn in their best form with shady backgrounds. Make sure that the lighting is good. Try to fix some details and then shoot the video. Once you shoot the video, we'll move on to the next step.